What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to use Photoshop on your web browser for free. So you'll have to go to this website, open your browser on your computer and go to this website, that's photopea.com. Essentially this website is a photo editing tool similar to Photoshop that you can use online absolutely free. So as you can see here, I can create like new project or open from my computer, use templates, open photos from like my computer, Dropbox, Drive, Google Drive, and so on. And I can also open .psd and Illustrator files and many other project files or file types. Or I can drag and drop any photo that I want to edit, and that's what I am going to do right now. I'll just drag it and then drop it right here. And it'll open in the Photopea editor. As you can see, even the interface is very similar to Photoshop's interface. You can use all the different tools that you want to use as you do on Photoshop. And once you finish editing, you can go to File and save your edits or export the photo in many different formats.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.